Lululemon, what a company for the retail side of things. And look at that parabolic move. We're overbought on a closing level, 94.5%. It was starting to, this was a great trade. The shorts were really heavy on it. $65, almost a $10 move in a 2 week period. It's getting a little top end heavy up here. You can see where this wick was, once again, 74.50. That's over a $2 wick from that top exhaustion down. So they report earnings on the 22nd. We'll be looking at the call and put structure there. Another one that's reporting earnings this week in the same kind of element as Nike, NKE, good old Nike. All of these parabolic tops and great execution is that Nike, let's see if Nike is overbought. Oh, yes, it's going into the earnings at 96.38%, even more overbought than Lululemon. All eyes on the Nike trade. We'll be taking a look at some of the strategies on Nike. Sometimes it's better to do the calls and the puts, but we'll definitely look here at the 110 put for a weekly. We'll be looking at this put option here. Let's take a look at it. It was up here at 245. They don't have much of a range on these kind of companies, but we will be watching during the earnings season because we'll be taking a look here at some of the imbalances. We'll be looking at some of these April contracts here, 110 put. They don't move a lot of yield, but we traded them last time, and the put options have come all the way down here. That's an April 110. Okay, here's an April $100 call put that was way over here at $6. It's down to 62 cents. Of course, we're going to look at that one. It's a weekly. It wouldn't make a lot of money unless it dropped a lot, but it's I'm sorry, let's make sure that is. No, that is a monthly $100 one. Here is the 105, which I like. It's down here, the 105 put on Nike this week. It's down to $1.30. It's very cheap with the stock being grossly overbought. It's a great bull run, but it's grossly overbought. So we are going to take a look at these ones. I will go ahead and start clocking them at $100 put here. So let's get them in here. MMT, 61 pennies here. This is all April. There's a 105. Here is a 110, and here's a 115 in the money. Now remember, Nike is extremely overbought, so we're going to take a look on the other side of where the 110 call is in the money, where the 105 call is in the money, and then right during this earnings weekly is going to report earnings in the weekly one. We're definitely going on that 110. We're definitely going on the 105 below the market, and hey, the 100, it's on sale. It's at, and here are the markdown on this side of the market. Here are the percent levels and these kind of options right here. So here's the percent level. The weeklies, of course, are going to have the biggest markdown in them. That 105 call, I threw it in here because I wanted to see just how inflated those calls are. And this is what the calls look like going into the earnings. Is that they're inflated up here at the highs. They were okay to buy at $2, but they ran $5. And this is on a weekly level. So once again, Nike is up. We'll be taking a look at the call and put strategy. Here is the last part of the Nike weekly overbought trend. Parabolic straight up. Every great bull has a great bull pullback. We would be looking at a pullback to right around that 105.75, 106 area. A $5 pullback would be in order. And then we would look at buying the dips and going long Nike once it does its pullback. All earnings this week on Super Bellwether Nike shoe in the apparel sector, sells tennis shoes and other things. You all know it. It's our favorite stock in the sector, but the stock got too overbought. Needs to come down. We'll make money on it.